We are really proud, heartfelt proudness for all of you. You are a real force, keeping faith in culture. Thank you. I've been asked to introduce our next act, and this is quite an exciting opportunity. Raw Material spent quite a few years working out in Senegal. We've been going there every year to Dakar in Senegal and working in a hip-hop festival called Festa 2H, and we got to know a lot of young up-and-coming rappers out there, and believe it or not, one of them's here tonight. So I'm going to bring on stage Balvada. Where is he? Come on. Balvada, here he comes. Okay, I'm going to hand over to him now, and thank you all very much for listening.
Assalamualaikum, I want to give you Senegalese sound, African music vibes. I hope you're ready to do that. DJ, bring the song. Yeah. Yeah, man breaker down, man breaker down, man breaker down, down, top, boom, down. Look at it, man, look at it, man, look. Dekat harapannya, dekat kewarnanya. Hai menjadi batas pakam bahunya. No, jaga jenis kunun, mam dan kulit jatuhnya. Mam jaga you voice and effective way. Amin mam jatuh kejahai. Aku lagi menak kesal tujuh tukar di nak kocin. Mam mulai letak jagoan apa? Nanti lain macam apa? Jadi kau jagoan. Mam boy pada koren. Waktu ada salah tu, nasalah bisa letur. Kau teriak ilat kebati teriak boleh, ha? Teriak boleh. Everybody say, mam break it down, mam break it down, mam break it down, down, top, boom, down. Look at it, mam look at it, mom look. Everybody say, mam break it down, mam break it down, mam break it down, down, top, boom, down. Look at it, mom look at it, mom look. Kalau bina fast kali jalan gerak cuma bina fast kali Instagram Simpan teruk kali Kau jaga kawan Sudah gagal kau ni baca gagal angkor Nasaran wajah Siapa nama Timulen Maka dok yang boleh bom Duk get for now Cari buat info Yang nasru cakap sakau They make me let Afik tu dah lekanam Afik cakap cakap Yang kau cakap pemanam Lemah dek Dia bermacam dek No I'm the Always remember You must have fight together Come on Come on Mom break it down Hey Mom break it down Down the boom and down to go Mom look at it Mom look Everybody say Mom break it down Mom break it down, Mom break it down, down, top, boom and down. Look at it, mom look at it, mom look. They say sitting your set, that's what you're letting fit. Mom. This is the good thing. That's like they African singing. That's when you come to the rock. That's when you lay rock. We don't give a fuck. No stress now. Took the mess. Let they know. There's so much happiness. I think when they lost, I'm the less you like that. But the back they put it bust. Yeah, the African God better. The rock will bond better. Always remember the new was the fight remember. When the days to a person in your Africa, I ever can't jump a buckle down. Bend the catch a go the door. Buckle you put on. Let the young with the great soul. Everybody, you like that sound? Yeah, put your hands in the air right now. Tout le monde, ma fresca down, Tout le monde. This is the African vibe, Will. Alright? Jump, 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 back. This is the African sound, what's up? Yeah, Senegal. Senegalese boy, hands up, Will. You like? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's the African dance. Yeah, respect. Respect the team, respect the raw material, respect to everybody. This is me, my brother. Respect the flow, he was in Senegal and she's doing good.
Thank you. Big up Balvada, one more time. Sit. So he was rapping in his native language, which is called Wolof. And he is from Senegal, which is in the west of Africa. If you like my ring, it is the ring of Africa. And the west is over here, just in case you don't know. So we want to teach you quickly how to say hello in Wolof, okay? No, not like that, that's British. In Wolof, we say Nagadef. Can you say that? One more time? Nagadef. Alright, big up. So you can go and say hi to Balvada, you can say Nagadef, and he'll know what you're talking about. Alright, cool. So we've had an amazing first half. We've had loads of people up on the stage doing their thing, from musicians to rappers to singers, and also Tim Brown, the director. But we are going to take a short break. We're going to have tunes played by the DJs today, which is DJ Danny and DJ Spawn, who also come along to our Thursday evening sessions. And we're going to be playing some of the tracks that have been made by Josh Stone and